Media Conference and the watch party of the first ever Pinoy reality dating show, Set Love on the Clock. Tonight, we'll be airing our episode 6, but all of you get a chance to watch the whole episode a few hours earlier.
Hindi ka lang kikiligin sa mga kasama mo pati na rin sa mga views doon. Parang nagdagdag yun ng points sa amin na ganda pala ng Hong Kong, lalo na pag may gabi.
Binigyan ko sila ng advice and I'm very happy dahil parang nakita ko sa mga mata nila na nakinig talaga sila.
During the process of the entire show, na-realize ko, you can always give advices, but at the end of the day, if ikaw na yung nahulog, hindi mo na rin alam kung anong gagawin mo.
Victoria Peak kasi special sa akin yung place na yun. And then, yun, nag-shoot kami ulit sa Love on the Clock. Parang romantic din if yung future girlfriend ko madadala ko rin sa Victoria Peak.
Meron po kaming pinuntahan doon na restaurant. Gusto ko siyang balikan kasi habang nagdi-dinner kami, nakikita namin yung buong view ng Hong Kong.
It's a beautiful show. It brings people together. And sana makarelate kayo. Please support and watch Love on the Clock.
Hopefully, we get to watch last 2 episodes since yung next episode natin, very emotional driven. And of course, for our last episode, sino ba talaga ang tunay nakahanap ng love on the clock?